Hey guys, so it's Elena, and my American Girl doll came in the mail today, and that is why I'm doing 2 videos today. And this is gonna be my unboxing. Yeah, so let's get started. Okay, so I have my box right here that it came in, and I just have some scissors. So let's get started. So excited. And it's like the biggest box ever. It's like so big. And so, just like so excited. Oh my gosh, it's wrapped in Christmas paper. Wait, no, not Christmas paper, but it looks like it because look, it's just like wrapped up and stuff. So I didn't order any clothes or anything, but I got this. Oh look, they're just little, where are they? I don't know. So here is this one. I thought it was wrapped in Christmas paper because of this, but it's just really cute. So here it is, and it just has this little magazine thing. It's just what it is, and it's just this, yeah. So that's under here. So I'm just going to go ahead and open this up. It looks pretty easy to open. Oh my gosh. I'm going to keep this ribbon. It's just wrapped like in Christmas paper. So I thought that was really cool. And it was glued. Oh gosh. I think this is like an outfit or something. And this is just what it looks like. So I was like recently watching a whole bunch of American Girl doll videos today, which is kind of weird because like I got, oh, I think it is an outfit. Just that. I just open it up. Okay. Oh, so it's not an outfit. It's, what I got is I got this little spinning thing. This little hat. Well, no, it's this little thing where you just put stuff in. Then I got her hat. And I got Caroline, by the way. It's my first American Girl doll. So, and it just comes with my purchase. And then this American Girl doll thing, the new one, and it says Isabel, the new girl of the year. Ooh, there's stuff under it. And it says free issue, plus a bonus gift inside. So I guess I'm going to open this up. There's some stickers and stuff in here. And yeah. And then this thing. So I got that, and I got some extra clothes. Move everything out of the way. Okay. So this is the box, and it just had this card right here. So let me just open this up for you. And it says, to Elena, from Dad, Mom, and Sage, happy birthday, wishing you a day that's just as special as you are. I guess my parents put this in there. I don't know how they did that, but okay. So I'm just going to open it here, and I think it's like so cute, but. Okay, so another ribbon that I can keep and save till Christmas. And this is just what the box looks like. I'm going to open it for you guys. Sorry, I hit you guys on accident. This is her, and she's facing that way. And I think she's so cute. Oh my gosh. So I've been watching unboxing videos, so I know how to unbox it. Oh my gosh. Look, it comes with this cute book. Her name's Caroline. And I think it's her diary or something. I'll show you guys that later. I just wrap this around. One second. Okay, so I'm going to do the neck later, but I just took these rubber bands off of the feet. And they're just these right here. And they're just rubber bands, and I can keep those, actually. So yeah, and it's just one rubber band that goes around both of the feet, which is kind of weird. But yeah. So on the back just has this thing that's supposed to pull out for her neck, I think. So I'm going to go ahead and cut it this side. And yeah. Okay, so I just cut that and I got there. Oh my gosh. Here she is, and they just have this thing right here that's over her hair. And it's just that. Oh my gosh, look at her curly, cute hair. Here she is. Gosh. She is so pretty. She's like more pretty than I thought she would be. And she kind of looks like me. So that's why I got her. Her hair isn't as long as I thought, because in the picture it was like all the way down to here. But yeah. And then it just has these things on her hand. And I think it's so cute. And so I'm going to put her hat on. Here's her with a little hat on. I think it's like really cute. I just like it because it's just like so cool and beautiful. And then this is the back of her hair. Just looks like that. And yeah, so that's all for this video. First of all, I'm just gonna show you her book. But you just have this. I think you get a book for all of them, or it's her diary. I don't know. It says Meet Caroline on it. It's like, yeah. So it has this. Yep, this is the book, and it just has all these pages and pictures and stuff. So that's what she looks like in like real life. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment, rate, subscribe. My first American Girl doll. I did get it for my birthday, so yeah. She's beautiful. And then there's a big old mess. I just finished cleaning my room too. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Comment, rate, subscribe. Comment, rate, subscribe. Thanks, guys.